With Jeff.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your coats. Yeah, see the temperature? There it is, 7 o'clock, 57 degrees. I nailed it. It is getting a little cooler as we start the morning. It's going to be 42 when you step out the door there in Jackson, 58 into Pocatello, and we're checking on that train derailment there at the South Valley Connector. 49 into Salmon, 40 into Island Park, and 60 degrees to begin with into Soda Springs this morning. 52 in Preston. I think you're going to have a better chance of heading toward 90 degrees as you get closer to Utah. So just know that the valley areas today, mid to upper 80s. Tomorrow's going to be probably right in the same zone, if not a little cooler, due to our fading jet stream and high pressure that is sinking and moving east. But it's going to put the century mark into the desert southwest and into Texas today, where people there will be melting, their eyebrows will be falling off, and their lashes will come unglued. There's a real problem down there, and a lot of people wear them big eyelashes in Texas. I know I got two teenagers. Their little fingernails melt too. 87 for Pocatello today. That's warm enough. Now, if you, and I'll just remind you of this because we didn't mention it in our heat package, but some people's medications make them sensitive to heat and light. So keep that in mind, and limit your time outdoors, because it can be really hard on people, and sometimes they don't understand why they get sick. And kids, they just forget to drink. You make sure you got plenty of water. 85, pardon me, for tomorrow. The winds are going to pick up this afternoon, 30+ miles an hour. It will be bold, bright, about 84, warm this afternoon and tomorrow. I think we're going to get 3 days still in here for nice weather, for pickleballing, hiking. Maybe you just want to go fish. We got fish day coming up. You're going to Rexburg, yes, for the Pride event. It's going to be bold and sunny. You're going to need sunscreen. You're going to need a big hat, and sunglasses, and give yourself some time in the shade. Check on the pets too. Please don't leave anything in the car. Share the most exotic thing that perhaps you've had on a menu. This is interesting because we got a lot of great calls, and we've got some pictures to show you at noon today that Emma has submitted. Here's what you had to tell us.
I once ate a durian. It is a fruit from Southeast Asia that's actually banned from public transit, airports, and hotels due to the smell. It kind of smells like rotten sewage.
Oh, okay.
And it's really not super tasty.
Well, good. Why would you?
Hey there, Jeff. This is Nick Mon out here in Rigby, Idaho. My wife and I went to Peru recently.
Yeah.
The weirdest thing was probably, it's called cuy down there in Spanish, and it is guinea pig. The one that we had still had hairs on it and everything.
Oh, guinea pig.
Delicacy. You know, if you shave one of those, it looks like a little bitty hippopotamus.
See, I